let's take a tour of my urban homestead. When I first moved here, the only thing that was planted were these ligustrum hedges, and then just grass, and everything else we built ourselves. I am coming to you live for the homestead tour on top of my roof because I want to give you the best aerial view of my urban homestead. But the way our house is situated on this property is we've got less than an acre of total property, and our house is about 900 square feet. Our house is situated in the middle of the property, so we do have this backyard, a little side yard down here, and now I'm going to show you the homestead. This right here is a small highway, but it has never deterred us from feeling like we are in the middle of this sanctuary inside here, especially because we've always had the garden filled with flowers around the perimeter and lots of nature surrounding us. I have here 12 raised beds that are all irrigated with a drip line. And then we built this fence to keep the chickens out and give them their own space. In fact, these beds have these tall corners, and a lot of people usually ask, why do you have those tall corners? And the reason is because originally we did not have this fence, and we had little miniature fencing around every single raised bed. And then we decided the chickens don't need all of this space, and we had a couple of flyers. So we built this fence to keep the chickens here, and they've got plenty of space. We've got 7 chickens here, and we've had up to 15. And so here is where our chicken coop is. They free range during the day outside. I've got 2 raised birdies beds that are not irrigated and perfect for things like potatoes or ginger and turmeric. I've got a pomegranate, a fig, and then our 4-bay compost pile there for landscape debris. So around the perimeter of the garden, we've got a little 3-foot deep in-ground bed, and we've got ornamentals like these cassia trees that when in bloom are just stunning, bottle brush shrubs that go around the perimeter, a bunch of blueberries that go down this line, and then we've got this beautiful little bed next to our pergola that's got a moringa, some blueberries, and other flowers. So just for reference, here's the front yard, house, and backyard. The backyard has always been our place for just kind of ornamentals, but we do have like a peach tree and a pink lemon, a beautiful wisteria, and then this awesome little path of mint, which I recently planted. We were gonna plant a little rain garden here, but I don't think we'll get to that before we move. And so we've had a nice little area to just kind of hang out and ground in the grass.